false position method. So this is the question under false position method which we will discuss today. And firstly, the foremost thing which I need to tell all of you is that false position method comes under the topic of solution of algebraic and transcendental equations. There are many methods under this chapter. One of those methods is false position. There is a method of dissection, there is Newton-Raphson method, there is false position method. We will make videos on rest of the topics also, but today our focus will be mainly on false position method. So firstly, our focus will be mainly on the statement. So if we are going to solve any question, we have to go through the statement first, and then we will understand what the statement requires, and then we will focus on the solution. So what is the statement here? Find a root of an equation f of x equals to x cube minus x minus 1 using false position method. So it is very clear from the statement that we will solve a cubic equation. So it doesn't mean that false position method is used to solve only cubic equation or algebraic equation. These are also used, this method is also used to solve trigonometric equations, exponential equations, etc. So how to proceed for the solution if we are talking about false position method? So this is the first step. Firstly, as you can see, the first three steps are already on the board. To save your time, this is already done by our team. So what is the question? F of x equals to x cube minus x minus 1. So what we need to do in this method is, we have to find the solution which would be a decimal point. We will find out the roots in which a decimal root will lie. How to start the process? For that, we are going to use hit and try method. Now, what is hit and try? For that, we have to substitute the values in the given statement. So we always start to put 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. We put 5 to 6 values. If the sign does not change, we step back to negative values. We move to -1, -2, -3, so on. So you can see here, by hit and try method, we will choose initial root. So what is done? Firstly, x equal to 0 is substituted in the given equation, x equal to 1 is substituted in the given equation, and x equals to 2 is substituted in the given equation. And we will observe the answers. F of 0 is -1. F of 1 is also -1. F of 2 is 5. It is positive 5. This is negative, this is positive. So this is where we need to focus. One is negative, another is positive. So here we will stop the calculation. We can see that we have not put x equal to 3. We can go on putting the values if the sign is not changing. Here sign is changing. One is negative, another is positive. So we will stop here. Not for the entire solution, but only for the hit and try method. So we have chosen 1 and 2 for the initial roots, because to substitute the values in formula of false position method, we need 2 initial roots. So we have 2 initial roots. How? One root is 1, that is x is 1 is already written, and x is 2. Why we have chosen these two? Why not 0 and 1? Because 0 and 1 are giving negative answers. We can choose only those values which are giving different signs. One is negative, another is positive. For example, it also gives you -5. We will find x equal to 3 value, right? So that is the way to choose the initial roots. x0 is 1, x1 is 2. So after that, how many steps we need to do, we will decide that later. So firstly we will go for the first iteration. So main focus is we have to find a decimal value as a solution. We will keep on solving the iterations, and we will stop at that iteration when 2 answers will be same up to 3 decimal steps. we will choose. If they have already mentioned in the question, find the solution up to 3 decimal steps, 4 decimal steps, then we have to go accordingly to the statement. But if not mentioned, we find the solution up to the 3 decimal cases. So firstly we will talk about the formula of first position method. How to find x2, which is the main solution, by using x0 and x1, which have been solved by written trial method, which is already discussed. So learn how to learn the formula. x2 equals to x0 fx1 minus x1 f of x0 divided by f of x1 minus f of x0. So how to learn? Firstly, if we learn the numerator, the denominator is almost same. We are only deleting x0 and x1. Rest values are same, which is in the numerator. So I am repeating, value of x2 will be found by the formula x0 f of x1 minus x1 f of x0 divided by f of x1 minus f of x0. So generally, what do students do? They forget, like they don't know that this x0 is separate and this f of x1 is separate. They just combine these things. Sometimes x0 f and write x1 separately. Sometimes answer is written as x1 f separately or x0 separately. That will not make any sense. So what you need to do is, you have to put x0 first, then answer of f of x1, then x1, then answer of f of x0, and same for the denominator. So next step, we have to find f of 2, because we have to put f of x1, x1 is 2. So f of 2 की वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट होगी और f of x0 which is f of 1. So यहाँ पे f of 1 की वैल्यू पुट होगी and same for the numerator. Now we will substitute the values in the first position method formula. We need x0, we need x1, we need f of x1, we need f of x0. So all values are substituted and we get the answer as 7 by 6. 1 into 5, 5, minus 2 into minus 1 will give you plus 2 over 5 plus 1, that is 6. Answer is 7 by 6, which is 1.1667. So this is the answer of x2. So how to proceed for the next second iteration? We will focus on that first. We will put this value in the given statement, that is x cube minus x minus 1. So we have substituted 1.1667 in the given equation. X cube minus x minus 1, 1.1667 raised to power 3 minus 1.1667 minus 1. So this will be the repeated step in all the iterations. Whenever we will get x2, as this iteration 1 we are getting x2, in iteration 2 we will get, we will keep on finding the solutions and we will keep on putting all the values which we get in the given equation. So this will be the repeated step in all the iterations. Whatever answer we get, we will put that answer in the given statement. After putting in the given statement, we will check the sign. So we have to concentrate here. So this is very important. This is negative. F of 1.1667 is giving us negative value. So this value will be compared with that value which is giving us a positive number. So we will move backwards and we will compare that which value was giving us positive answer. It is a negative one, so we will focus on positive one. If it would be positive one, then we will move backwards to look for the negative one. Okay, so 1.1667 is giving us answer as a negative value. So going backwards, we will find out any value which we have substituted in the given function or given equation should be a positive value. So here we can see only 5 is a positive number. -1, -1, both are negative. So what will be the new combination? One value will be 2 and another value will be 1.1667. So sometimes what do students do? They pick this value, but this is the answer of the function. So you have to remember, you have to pick the value of x. not the value of fx. So answer will be taken in the next iteration as, which is solved as x2, that is 1.16667, and combination is made with the number 2. Why with number 2? Because its answer is a positive one. So this is the combination. x0 is 1.16667, x1 is 2. So in the every equation we are choosing x0 and x1. One value from both of these must be that value where we ended in the previous equation. So you can see 1.16667 as one of the value from x0 and x1. Here we are ending at 1.23511. It must be included in the iteration third. Second value will be chosen by comparing the signs. But first value, or it could be x1 also, depends upon which one is larger and which one is smaller. So this is the way to choose the values. x0 is 1.16667 and x1 is 2. Signs are different. We are again focusing on the same formula. It will be repeated in every iteration. We are substituting the answers of x0, f of x1, x1, f of x0. What is x0? 1.16667, and what is x1? That is 2. So we are substituting all answers, and again we are getting a new answer, which is 1.23511. So I have mentioned one very important step in the first equation also, that whatever answer you get as x2, put that value in the given term. So put 1.23511 in the given term, given function or given equation, whatever you want to say. Answer will come up as minus 0.28536 minus. I am again focusing on minus. So we have to compare again the signs. So what is written? We have to compare this negative value again with the positive value. See, so if I see all the values, I have got 1.23511. Before that, I had 1.16667. So these all are giving us negative values. There is only one positive value till now, that is f of 2. You can see at the start, that is giving us plus 5. So that's why again the new value has to be taken. अभी भी मैंने डिस्कस किया है कि जो न्यू वैल्यू आती है x2 की, वो तो हमें लेना ही लेना है अगली इटरेशन में एज अ कॉम्बिनेशन. बट जो सेकंड वैल्यू लेनी है वो कैसे चूज करनी है? दैट मस्ट बी चूजन बाय कंपेयरिंग द साइंस. इफ आई एम चूजिंग दिस, तो इसके साथ दूसरी वैल्यू वो चूज होगी जिसका आंसर पॉजिटिव होगा. फाइन. सो दिस इज द कॉम्बिनेशन. व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग दिस वर्ड अगेन इन द नेम कॉम्बिनेशन? Because these both will be used in a combined form in the formula. You can see x0 and x1 both have been used in the formula. So here x0 again 1.23511, x1 is 2. One important thing is that try to choose the smaller as x0 and the larger as x1. You can see 1.23511 is smaller value and 2 is the larger value. So we have again substituted all values. We have got the answer as 1.29344. Again the same thing. Whatever value you get, put that again in the given equation. You will get an answer. That answer is positive or negative. We'll decide what will be the combination for the next iteration. So let's move to the iteration 4 after this. So in the iteration 3, we have stopped at 1.29344. So answer comes up to be negative. So it will be combined with that value which is giving us a positive answer. So obviously this minus 0.1294 has been solved by substituting this value in the given equation. So f of 2 is 5, positive, this is negative. So these both values will be combined to find out new x2 as we have been doing in the previous iterations also. So in equation 4, x0 will act as 1.29344 and x1 will act as 2. So substituting all values, new answer again 1.31128, and whenever we are getting a new answer, we are again putting in the given function and getting a new answer and then comparing again for the new iteration. So you can see 1.31128 is giving answer. Again the new value will be combined with the positive value. So in this question, till now we have got only one positive value, that is f of 2, which is giving us a positive answer. So whatever value we have solved in the previous equations, there is no value which is giving us a positive answer. So 1.3118 and 2 will be a new combination for new value of x2. After solving the formula of false position method, we have 1.31899. So 1.31899 again will be substituted in the given equation. We are again getting negative answer. So one important thing, again I have explained at the start also, but I am repeating it. You might forget it because this is a long process. This is easy one, but it is a lengthy process. So what was that important point? That we will stop when we will get 3 decimal places equal to the existing value. So we will compare here. Equation 4 has the answer 1.311, but equation 5 has the answer as 1.318. So you can see the 3 values after decimal is not same till now. So this is giving us the idea to go further for the equation 6. In the previous equation we have stopped at 1.31899. So again same process, whatever value we get, put that again in the given equation. 1.31899 will be substituted in x cube minus x minus 1. Answer will be minus 0.0243. Again a negative 1 will be combined with one and only one positive value of this question, that is f of 2, which is giving us a positive value, which is 5. Negative, positive, less than 0, greater than 0. This will make a new combination for a new value of x2. Again, consider the smaller one as x0, larger as x1, and put in the formula of false position method. After putting all the answers, new x2 is 1.3228. Put this value again in the given equation, minus 0.01036. Again a negative number. So in the next equation, again this value will be combined with the positive one. So let's see. Negative, positive, we are only talking about the answers of function. Negative, positive, we are not talking about the values, negative and positive value of like which value we are considering. We are not talking positivity or negativity about those values. We are only talking about positivity or negativity of the answers of functions. So comparing these two answers, this is negative, this is positive. Again these two values will be considered as x0 and x1. Again putting in the formula of false position method, and we are getting the new answer as 1.32368. Answer is again minus 0.0044, again a negative number. So as you already know, this value will be solved from the given value, that is x cube minus x minus 1. So again we cannot stop at 1.323. Why? Because still we have not solve the same values up to 3 decimal places. This is 1.322, that is 1.323. So we need to do more iterations further. In the last iteration, that is iteration 7, we have stopped at the value 1.32368. So this is the answer which is written. 1.32368 पे जो function में put करके हमारे पास value आ रही है, that is minus 0.0044, which is less than 0. It is a negative value. As you can see, it will be compared with the positive 5. So these two values will be considered to substitute in the formula of false position method. First value, second value, then second value, and then putting first value in the function. By using the false position method formula, answer will be 1.32428. Again, as we have been doing from the first iteration to 7th iteration, we are putting the value in the given equation, that is x cube minus x minus 1. By putting in the given equation, we will get the answer as minus 0.0 equations. Answer is 1.32453. So it is equals to again a negative number. So one important thing, here we can stop our solution. How? In the equation 8, we have got 3 numbers after decimal, same as in the equation 9, which is 324. Obviously, 1 will also be counted. 1.324, same 1.324. So here we can stop this whole solution. The final answer we can write as 1.324. It would be considered as the final answer. 1.324 is the solution of the cubic equation x cube minus x minus 1. So this is one example which has been discussed about false position method. So try to practice more question of trigonometric, or you can say exponential, or there are inverse trigonometric functions also which are included under these methods. If you will have any doubt, you are free to ask. Feel free to contact us. And for practice question, I am going to write one problem here and try to solve that question. Find real root of the equation 2x cube minus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. Up to 3 decimal places, taking initial values as 1 and 2. So what is the difference between this question and the previous one is, here in this question you need not to use hit and trial method. The initial values for the first iteration is already given in the question. So try to solve this. If you will have any issue, you can leave a comment in the comment box also. If you want to ask, you can contact us also. So here we end this topic. So for your convenience, answer and hint is also given. You will solve this question as I have already solved one question. You can take hints from the previous question also. But for this question, we have to solve up to 7th iteration. मतलब 7 iteration तक आप solve करोगे. And final answer is also given, that is 1.6005. तो इस क्वेश्चन को आप सॉल्व करिएगा. If you find any trouble, you can contact us. You can leave your comment in comment box. If you want us to make more videos on any topic, your comments are always there. So keep sharing your doubts in the comment box. We are always ready to make new videos as per your problems. You can share your problems. You can call us. Feel free to contact us and keep liking, sharing our videos.